Yo, what is up guys? So today, big news. I bought a 1993 Mazda Miata. So this was kind of a find. I saw it show up at a local auto shop a few months back and it caught my eye. I instantly saw it, went over, checked it out, and saw how bad it was. It sat for the last like 2 to 3 months. I finally gave in, and me and my dad went over and we started talking to the auto shop, kind of getting a story behind this car. The previous owner took it into the shop to get brake lines, and the shop told him that it was way too rotted out to try to put money into it. This was his daily driver car in Northeast Ohio, where it snows for like 5 months out of the year. He has snow tires, everything for this car. He drove year round. So it's pretty rotted out. I picked it up for $300. It runs and drives. It's a 5-speed, clean title. It's just pretty rotted out. So let's take a look at the car. Right off the bat, you see the soft top is destroyed. He just let the soft top go. I don't know if this is the original one or whatever, but it's just very brittle, just cracks, broken. So it's been sitting outside with rain, just, you know, whenever it rained, it just got in there. This is completely rusted out, just gonzo. It does have a luggage rack, which is pretty cool. I like that. Go to the other side. This fender is really pooched. It is just, I mean, destroyed. The rear rockers, everything is gone. The doors, actually clean. Fenders, not bad. Car is definitely in rough condition, like rough. The frame rails are rusted and everything, but it has 96,000 miles on it. Runs and drives, turns key right over. So for that, 300 bucks, I think it's a deal for me. I've been really wanting an NA for a while, and this is my full-on project. I just got a welder not too long ago, and this is gonna be very good practice for me. I'm gonna show you guys in the trunk. Dog keeps barking. Get out of the studio. Jeez, trying to film a video. So in the trunk, there's a lot of clutter. There's sand, everything, but the worst part is over here. And you can see outside the car, that's how pooched this rear fender is. This is just gone. It's gone. Where the battery used to go down there, it rusted out completely. Must have had like a leaky battery, and then it started rotting that out, and then of course he drove it year round. We robbed the battery from my NB. This is the old battery, that's dead. Robbed the battery from the NB, hooked it up, started right up. Soft top's got moss on it. This is all destroyed. In here, there is like the cockpit cover, the one that's not like the soft top, but like it goes over flat. I haven't even tried that. The interior is just like the rest of the car, just destroyed. I mean, a little bit of rust here, of course, but seats are just destroyed. Interior, cigarettes, there's dust, dirt everywhere. It's terrible. My main idea for this car right now is I'm gonna cut and weld and try to do the body work as best I can. It's just more practice because I'm really enjoying welding and doing body work stuff. And I'm gonna do some over fenders on the rear to kind of do that. I'm gonna get a KVD deuce body kit because I like how they look. It's that everybody does it to their Miatas. And weld the diff, and this thing's just gonna be a drift missile because it's so cheap. Everything's already destroyed on it. I'm not gonna be afraid to, you know, smash her up or accidentally put it into a wall or like a barrier or something at a track or an event. So that's gonna be way future. That's like just my ideas now. My dad thinks I should make a rail buggy out of it, like a dune buggy. He thinks I should do the lift kit and cut all the fenders and tube stuff, and you know, but that'd be really cool too. But I want a missile car. Originally I wanted a missile car, and I got my NB, and right now it's to the point where I would be kind of afraid to bang it up. I don't know, I like how nice it is. It's not super nice, but like versus this thing's just a hunk of junk. I am gonna go ahead and start it up and give you guys some revs so there's a little bit more content to this video. And yeah. So it needs a lot of work, but there's a good amount of potential there. For $300, I think it was well worth it. And yeah, make sure you guys like and comment and subscribe for more content on this car. It's gonna be a lot happening. There's a lot of potential. And of course, as always, there is more videos for the NB. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.